The Makhanlal Chaturvedi National University of Journalism and Communication has a grand campus at Bisan Khedi. This campus not only has facilities in terms of studio, we have a community radio station upcoming, we have a great library, totally digitized, and we are going to very soon have a national media museum also in the premises. It's going to give the students an ambience to study and explore the various dimensions of life. This apart, on the lines of Shanti Niketan, our students will get an opportunity to not only study in the classroom but also study sitting under the tree in very natural surroundings. So we have tried to make the campus as friendly, student friendly as possible, and we have a huge auditorium there. Welcome to the new campus, and I can assure you that it is one of the finest media campuses in the country. Thank you.